Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix playlists and sync in Amazon Music. So if your app playlists are not syncing across your devices, it's usually due to account issues, network problems or app settings. So to fix that issue, at first you will need to check your account. So make sure that you're logged into the same Amazon account on all devices, and to do that you will need just to go and tap on the profile icon that's located at the top left corner. So once you tap it, you will need to go and tap on manage profile. Okay, so the option and only one that's under your profile icon. Okay, so it's not listed on the list. So go ahead and tap on it, manage profile, and here where you can make sure that you are logged into the same Amazon account or the actual account. So the songs and playlists are account specific and different accounts won't sync. Also guys, they really want you to check your internet connection. So syncing requires a stable connection, of course, so just go ahead and use Wi-Fi or strong mobile data and switch networks to test if syncing works. Also guys, you will need to enable sync library and device synchronization. Okay, so all you need to do is to go and open the Amazon Music or your app, then go with the settings, the third last option, and right here you will need to look for an option. It says sync library, okay, and make sure that it's on. Okay, and to do that or to find that option, actually guys, you will need to have the unlimited plan first. Okay, so this allows the playlists and downloads to sync automatically. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.